Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back to another studio vlog. Today I am going to be getting ready for the ultimate planner sale. Oh my gosh guys, I am so excited. It's the second time that I've actually been in the UPS sale. The first time you guys were so amazing and totally blew me away. It was the first time I actually ever had to have anybody help me fill orders. Usually I do it all myself, but I was so crazy busy that Brian actually had to help me out, and that was a little insane within itself because my sticker system is really not set up for anybody to help me since I'm technically the only person that knows where all the stickers are, since I do have like stickers in binders and then also in bins and in drawers. So I have been getting that under control to make sure that he can help me out this time. So the first thing that I want to work on today is make sure that I get all of these stickers out of the binders and into bins like this. I don't know if I'll be able to do all of them, but we will try. And then the other thing that I want to make sure that I finish off today is designing all of my freebies for the shop and making a graphic so you guys can see what you guys can get at each tier. So I will be having 4 different tiers, one at $20, $30, $40, and $50. So if you reach all those tiers, you'll be able to get all of the little goodies that you guys will see today once I make them. So let's go ahead and get started. Seven binders left full of stickers, so I'm gonna have to wait for another day to do that because it's already dark outside and I really want to get these freebies done and get the graphics ready so that everybody can see what they can get for each one of the tiers. So I am at my computer now. I do have a couple of things already in mind, so at least that will help me out. Now I did make the sample freebie that everybody's going to get already because I sent these off to other shop owners, so I decided to use the same one, and I will show you why in a moment because I really wanted you guys to be able to get one of these even if you were not shopping with anybody else. So I am so excited to show you guys what is on this sheet. I also created the $30 tier. Oh, I am so in love with it. So we just came out with our new declutter collection that is with the Erin Condren, Hobonichi, bullet journal, and then lots of other little functional stickers that goes along with it. So I wanted to create something that will go along with that theme, because I think that a lot of you guys will be probably purchasing that, or if you have already signed up for our sticker bundles and received that collection, this will complement it. So the first little freebie I made is for the $30 tier, and it is little Bonbon carrying the laundry basket. Oh my gosh, it is so adorable. It says sorting life out one load at a time. Isn't that the cutest little thing? Now this is the first time that we have had a kit that has Bonbon included, so it is kind of exciting for me. I thought that I would theme the rest of the freebies around this as well. So what I'm thinking is possibly an adhesive pocket and a dashboard, like a pencil board, or a larger like sample freebie that can go along with anybody's like bullet journal, Erin Condren, Hobonichi, or any kind of other planner, and not have it like technically sized for just one planner, where I used to only size everything for the Erin Condren. So it's kind of fun to mix things up. So let's go ahead and get started. Again, but the bookmarks are looking really cute. Alright, yay! Oh my gosh, the $50 freebie is done and I am so in love. There's actually going to be two different types. So one will be like a pink top border and then one will be a green border. They're both so stinking cute. So it's a laundry list, you guys get it? Like a laundry list of things to do. So cute. So it's Bonbon carrying a very large basket of laundry. This one she's like laughing and so much fun taking the laundry out. Almost like the Shel Silverstein, like the Cynthia Sylvia Stout. Oh my gosh, is that not the funniest thing with her taking all the garbage out? That's kind of like Bonbon right here. And then the back is like a little bit different as well. Oh my gosh, I love it. So there's going to be two of these, so you may get one of the pink or one of the green. They're both so stinking cute. Now I don't know if I actually told you when the Ultimate Planner sale is. I think it's going to be today is when the video is going to go live. So it starts on Friday the 27th at 9 a.m. Eastern time. The first 20 people that order is going to get a little bonus of extra little samples from a couple different shops. I will be showing all of those every day because there's going to be different samples for day 1, 2, and 3. I am going to bundle them up now for you guys so you guys will see today's sampler, and then maybe I will wait to show you guys day 2s and 3s just to keep it a little bit of a surprise for you guys, but they're all so stinking cute. So I do have one more freebie that I want to work on, and then I will show you all the freebies all laid out for you guys. Yay! Almost done here, and you guys can see it's already so late, but I think we'll be able to get this freebie done pretty quickly. Yay! So the last of the freebies are done. So this is going to be the $40 freebie. It says Little Bits, and it's like, I don't know, purple, pink, almost like a rose gold hollow. So pretty. So this is actually a removable adhesive pocket, so you guys can stick it anywhere and then reuse it. So yay! I can't believe they're all done. So I still have to do the graphic for it, but I'm gonna do that later this evening in bed. It is already almost midnight, so I better go get to that. I do want to show you today's freebies, so I will pack those guys up so you guys can get a glimpse at what the first 20 orders over $20 will be getting, and they are super cute. Alright, let's turn you around. Alright, so let me show you day 1 freebies. There are going to be 5 for each day. I do plan on doing some little bonuses though, so definitely follow me on Instagram to see some extras. This one is from Little Annabelle Plans. How adorable are these cuties? So meal plans. The next one here is from Tiny Little Tulip. Oh, I love her little characters. You are living your story. This next one is from It's Planning Time. So it's like a little fall freebie. Burn a fall candle. Have a bonfire. So cute. Alright, this next one has a little code on it, and I'm not sure if they want me to share it with you guys, so I'm covering it up. This one is from White Rose Stationery. Also like a little fall and pumpkin, let's get spooky highlight of the week. So super cute. And then this last one is extra large. It is from Stick to Your Plans. It has like almost like a glossy vinyl texture to it. So those are the 5 freebies for day 1. Definitely follow me on Instagram so you guys can see all the rest of the goodies, and for day 2 and 3. And then I'll give you one last look at all of the freebies that our shop is going to have. So every single order, no matter what you spend, is going to get this fall exclusive. So of course it has sweet cakes in her Halloween costume, Bonbon and Christmas, so 1 month, 15 days to Halloween. Plan with me, 15 days till Thanksgiving, and of course a cute little credit card envelope and payday sticker with a declutter because of our declutter theme. Well, let's go over this one next. So this one, if you spend $30 or more, you will get this cute little vinyl sticker with Bonbon, carrying laundry, sorting life out one load at a time. Super cute. And then $40 or more, you'll get this Little Bits adhesive pocket so you guys can stick your little bits in there. And then for $50 or more, you will get one of these guys. They're pretty similar, just the top here has more of like a red pinkish background, and then this one's more of like a green and blue background, and then the reverse is a little different as well. So that is a look at all of the freebies. So I think that that's about all I can get done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my process of me getting ready for the Ultimate Planner sale. again, the sale starts on Friday the 27th at 9 a.m. Eastern time, which I believe is going to be 2-day for you guys, and then ends on Sunday the 29th at midnight Eastern time. So if you guys order from me, thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate every single one of your guys' orders, and I love seeing what you guys get and packaging them all up. I will try and do a video of me showing you package all the goodies, because I know you guys like to see that, and it's one of my favorite parts as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!